చేస్తున్నాను. I wish all the dignitaries on the dais, the parents and especially my dear students a very good evening. It is my immense pleasure to be part of the celebrations today in Vageshwari as part of your annual day ecstasy. The reason why I consented to come to this function is because I am very happy with the Vageshwari group of institutions' response towards their social responsibility. We had recently launched a program called Mananagaram. Mana Karimnagar district headquarter ki abhivruddhi kosam Mananagaram anedi oka manchi program launch cheyadam jarigindi. దీనికి భాగంగా చాలా మంది స్పాన్సర్స్ కి మనము దాతగా ఇన్వైట్ చేసి మీ తరఫు నుంచి ఉన్నటువంటి డెవలప్మెంట్ ఫండ్స్ ద్వారా మనం సిటీ డెవలప్ చేస్తామనేది ఒక ఐడియా, ఒక ప్రపోజల్ ముందుకి పెడితే వాళ్ళు ఇమీడియట్లీ రెస్పాండ్ చేసి ఫ్యూచర్లో అలగ్నూర్ జంక్షన్కి స్పాన్సర్ చేస్తారనేది మాకు హామీ ఇచ్చారు. అండ్ ఐ థ్యాంక్ ది వాగేశ్వరి గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ for this wonderful gesture. Apart from that, on every occasion, whether it is APPSC or it is recruitments to the various government posts, the institution always comes to our rescue, gives us these beautiful buildings, where you are studying in the daytime, we use it for examinations so that many of the eligible youth get opportunities to government posts and positions. So once again we thank Vageshwari for that. Also I am very happy to see this concept of students trying to enlighten the society in their own way. This concept of Power March, my superintendent engineer Transco today told me that the students from the engineering electrical stream have taken upon this wonderful concept, Power March, to educate the society, to educate house to house regarding the need to save power by using energy saving mechanisms like CFL, lights and other such things. It's a very novel concept and I appreciate, I hope in future all other streams also come forward and try to get a realistic experience of the world outside. So we'll make it short. Basically, I congratulate all the students and their parents. I'm sure you have come through a very tough selection process to be part of this institution. And I'm sure that when we heard you speak, some of the final year students shared their thoughts. We were very happy to see the confidence, the satisfaction and the kind of overall personality building which is what is required for you to step out confidently into the outside world. So please use your time very, very preciously in this institution. SP garu chepparu, ee kaalam mani meeku tirigi raadu, adi gurtu pettandi. These are the precious moments of your life. When you work hard in these years, you will be comfortable for the rest of your life, whether it be your professional life or your personal life. When you work hard, God ensures that happiness comes to you in every aspect. So please make the most of these moments. I'm sure your parents have worked very hard to be able to send you to such colleges. And let me tell you that not many students in this country have the kind of good fortune that you have to be studying in this kind of a professional college with such good infrastructure, such committed faculties. Also, I take this opportunity to tell you that there are many career options for which you should make up your mind at this stage. Many of you are from the MBA, I believe from the MCA, from pharmacy, from engineering. Civil services is a very good option for you to be able to serve society, and civil servants come from all walks of life. Some of us are doctors, some of us are engineers, some of us are from finance backgrounds. Collectively, this section of service officers try to administer and try to improve the general condition of the country. So kindly consider this as a very good career option. Please take some details, please have some career counseling initiatives from the institution, because to my knowledge, even civil services, the selection process encourages technocrats. So you must take this opportunity and think about this career. Also, many of you tomorrow will go abroad for higher studies, I'm sure. My only appeal to you is that please come back after that. This country needs good doctors, good engineers, good civil servants, good management people, good pharmacists to make it the superpower of our dreams. So please come back to India, serve this country. That is my honest appeal to all of you. And most importantly, on a concluding note, whatever you may be, an engineer, a pharmacist, a bureaucrat, a technocrat, have strength of mind. Develop strength of spirit and strength of mind. Tomorrow when you step out into the world, there will be many challenges. There will be small tensions, some failures, some disillusionments. You should have the grace of an adult to be able to face these and not the grief of a child. So for that, build your strength of character, have integrity. That is the most important thing in your life. So with that, I wish that each and every one of you tomorrow be extremely successful in your academic and professional lives. God bless each and every one of you, and Jai Hind. Thank you for this opportunity.
Really an inspiring speech. On the behalf of all the students, madam, I promise that they would put your words into practice. We don't insist our students to open their books. We inspire them to open their minds. Now we request our chief guest, Srimati Smita Sabarwal Garu, to present the medals to the students of academic excellence.